so much everyone for participating in this wonderful Dubai event today, 22nd February 2025. Today on this platform I am very glad, very happy to share to rest of the world that we have announced 40 international orders. We have met with so many buyers and sellers in international business collaboration meet, and this is one single message we want to give it to the world, all the entrepreneur community. Then now is the time when we should think, plan and execute and grow, and actually go from local to global. One more time, from local to global. This bar international vyapar says go from local to global. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।